In this video, we are going to go into another trading strategy. It is one of the more basic trading strategies. This is utilizing trend lines in conjunction with support and resistance levels. We're going to be utilizing Solana for this example just because this is the chart I'm on. Anyways, right now we're identifying our support and resistance levels based off past price action. So these are levels that we would really be considering when it comes to where price could interact and change directions. So right now we have these levels marked out. These are all the ones that we currently need. And then of course, other levels that we would want to pay attention to are the ones that currently acted as support and resistance. So right now we do have two other levels that we need to keep in mind while looking at this chart. We do have one more level right below that I would want to keep my attention on. Anyways, going into the daily time frame. The daily is a great place for you to identify any type of trends. So noted, it takes 3 points of contact to create a trend. So currently, if I were looking at Solana in the past, I would be looking right here. This technically was a trend. So you did have a lower high as well as a third lower high. You're not quite touching here. You would have preferred to touch, but still counts. We're still going to use it. And then, of course, once you broke out of it, you could see you utilized your level of support not only once on one side, but then once again on a back test as support. So this was a very good trend line to focus in on when price was moving. Now, of course, trend lines work in both directions, up and down. So we would be looking at right here what was happening as you broke out. You do have your 3 points of contact right there. So you have an uptrend level of support. So even though Solana's been having a rough time coming down, we do have support sitting right below us. We not only have support at 172.01, but we also have our uptrending level of support based off, this is called a supply line. If you have a down sloping level, that is referred to as your demand line, which currently speaking, Solana also has a demand line right here. You can tell because you had 1, 2, third touch, price continued to the downside. It does look like there's a bit of consolidation starting to happen. This is nice to see. But you can do this on any time frame depending on when you are trading. So let's just say you wanted to come down to the 1 hour time frame and look for a trend line there. The way you would be doing this is once you saw a trend line break, you are expecting a change in direction. So right now you did have one false breakout, which these are rough to deal with, but you have a second breakout and now you are holding as support. So this is a sign the trend could be reversing for Solana. You've been traveling down sharply. You could start moving up to your demand line. And with that being said, we could see Solana move up something like 21% upside. This is one way you can utilize trend lines to your advantage when it comes to trading. Understand, you also need risk management. Even though you are using trend lines, it would be way better of a trade setup if this was holding above 184.73 or if you were sitting right on top of 172.01. This would give you a much better foundation of where to put a stop loss if you were trading. So hopefully this video does help you out. I hope that you all are having a great day, great evening, or great afternoon whenever you are seeing this video. I will catch you in the next one. Also, catch a live stream. And if you do like this video, please like and subscribe. It would be greatly appreciated. Drop a comment as well. All the interaction does help. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.